She believed she could, so she did. And that I did because I believed I could. What's up, family? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Derica, and I will be getting a phone call in the middle. What's up, fam? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Derica, for anyone who is new here. Today's video, we are going to be sublimating on tumblers, you guys. I'm so excited about this. I have never sublimated a tumbler. I have sublimated coffee mugs, but let's go ahead and get into the video, you guys, because I'm excited. Also, don't forget to stick around to the end, because one of you girls, or even a guy, because I do have guys watching this channel, one of you will be the winner of this custom tumbler that we are making today. Okay, so got my design ready, my design in Canva. I use a mix of pictures from Google, Etsy, put them together, you know, sprinkled a little creativity on it, and bam, this is what we have. Let me show y'all. Now that we have our image printed out, we are going to now wrap our image around our tumbler. Let me bring y'all down just a little bit. Now that we have our tumbler, this is a 25-ounce sublimation tumbler. This is what it looks like. It's a straight tumbler. It's not a skinny tumbler. It's a little bit on the chunkier side. This is what the top looks like. And it comes with a straw. So I'm gonna take this on off. Here's our image. We're gonna go ahead and cut the outline off of the image. Alright, so before we get started with wrapping our tumbler with the image, we're going to spray it down with some alcohol and wipe it down with a microfiber towel. This ensures that we have no fingerprints, no oil from our fingers and stuff. That way the image can be placed on there nicely. Now that we have our image cut out and our tumbler clean, we are now going to wrap the image around the tumbler, okay? I'm going to turn it my way, that way I can see it better. I'm going to take a piece of heat tape and you're going to place it sticky side up at the top of the image. I can't remember who I got this idea from, but I'll tag her channel below when I find it. Her sublimation video helped me out a lot. I got a lot of information from it, so I'm hoping that my tumbler turned out as well as hers. So we're now going to take our tumbler. You want to make sure it is evenly placed, and you want to wrap your image around it as tight as you can. So really take your time with this part. This is how much I have remaining at the top, and this is how much at the bottom, well, at the top, and this is how much at the bottom. So we're gonna make sure that we press the tape down as hard as we can. Make sure there are no openings, no air. We're also going to close off this end and this end. Okay. So now that we have that fully taped down, with the little excess piece we have here, we're going to just go ahead and fold over, making sure you pull as tightly as you can, like such. Same thing with this part at the top. Take it and be as tight as you can. Take our heat tape. We're going to start at the bottom, and we are going to wrap our image, pulling as tight as we can. I am starting on my second layer now. and we're going to lay it like right on top of the first layer. So as you see, we have a little bit of overhang. I'm pulling as tight as I can. As you see me pulling, you see that this is creasing in. So that's going to help our tape lay down to the bottom of this. This is giving us the pressure that we need. So as you see, now we're going to go ahead and just lay everything flat. Make sure you have no air pockets whatsoever. We're going to do the same thing with this. We are not going to shrink wrap this, you guys. We are going to put it in our convection oven just like this. She did it at 400 degrees for 6 minutes, and she turned after every 2 minutes. So I'm going to do the same. So yeah, let's go ahead to our convection oven. I'm going to let that preheat just a little bit, and then we are going to place our tumbler inside. Make sure you wear heat protective gloves because it will be hot. It completely burned it, so I'm not sure what, but this I took, and it wasn't even in there for a complete 6 minutes, you guys. So maybe I need to lower the temperature. So we're gonna go ahead and try this again. Here is another attempt. We're gonna see how this goes. This is the next tumbler. I left this tumbler in for 10 minutes. It was on 325. I rotated every 1.5 minutes because I did not want it to burn. Oh my gosh, you guys, I did it. Oh my God. Look at that. She is gorgeous, you guys. I did it. This goes to show you that not everybody is the same. Not everybody will have the same results. I do see my line right here, but that is because I cut my paper short, and a little watermark right here, but I think that's because I have like oil on my, I need to get some more mittens, and that's where like I kept touching the tumbler. Oh my gosh, but look at the colors, you guys. It came out beautiful. Let's go ahead and compare the others, because I would not be myself if I was not real with you guys. Let me show you how many tumblers I have messed up before I got this one correct. Okay, so here are all of the tumblers that I had to practice on. So yeah, this goes to show you how many times, you know, it takes to get something right. So yeah. Okay fam, thanks for watching the video. If you would like to be entered into the giveaway to win a custom tumbler of your choice, it does not have to be the tumbler that we made today because it didn't turn out perfect, but you can win any custom tumbler of your choice. In order to be entered into the giveaway, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, thumbs up this video, as well as follow my business Instagram at Purposeful Printing. Also, once you're done, go ahead and leave how I can get in contact with you, whether that's your Instagram name, your YouTube channel name, however I can contact you if you are the winner. All right, so good luck to each and every one of you. I have more giveaways coming soon. I have more videos coming soon. All right, fam, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.